Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. This one will be a vlog of eating a little, gardening a little, and as always trying to find joy in the simple things. I hope you enjoyed this episode. They are going to come. Some flowers. In this pot. I didn't expect they were going to, because the pot is pretty small, so I just dropped some seeds there to see what happened. And I did the same here, but I don't know. They're looking sad, these ones. I keep watering them. And they get lots of sun in the afternoon. So I don't know what's going to happen with them. These ones, I can't wait. You silly Billy, you dropped your food. Look, Luna, there's a bit of chicken there. You happy tummy now? Happy tummy? About a week later, we have a little sunflower coming. Oh my god, honey, you should see the sunflowers. And there's another baby coming here. And it's funny, this one is the one that started coming for the first time, but then nothing happened. And this one just bloomed out of nowhere. And what's this? Is it breaking? Maybe I just need to put some soil on top there. It's going to be about 33 degrees today. Loonies! Hello, girl!
metano e forni.
Buongiorno, scusi, adesso non abbiamo bisogno di quello di cortele, ma ogni quanto passi?
Adesso dopo il Ferragosto,
Ok, dopo Ferragosto, diciamo settembre forse? Se-
20 agosto, così, quasi settembre,
Ah, ok,
sì.
perché lo abbiamo fatto forse 2 mesi fa, quindi sono ancora
Ancora
bene.
buone, sì,
Sì,
sì.
sì. Che altra cosa fai? Scusa, perché il mio italiano non è molto buono, quindi non è cosa.
Riparazione di cucine a gas, fornelli,
Sì.
queste cose qua. Sì.
Ah, ok, buono.
Vabbè, alla
Grazie
prossima
mille, alla
allora.
prossima,
Ciao.
ciao.
È arrivato la routine. Ripariamo cucine e forni.
Grazie.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Hai il fior del latte?
Fior di latte, quanti ne vuoi?
4,
Allora,
per favore.
2, 3 e 4. Ecco qua, 4 fior di latte.
Grazie, quanto è? Fior del latte. Since our tomato plants have given us plenty of tomatoes and we have lots and lots of basil, I thought I will make a salad for lunch with the fior di latte I bought the other day. I also want to compare the quality of the fior di latte we bought the other day at the supermarket with the one we bought recently from the cheese van. The price of the one from the cheese van is almost double than the one from the supermarket, and I want to know if it's worth it. I am no cheese expert. I'm just happy to eat anything that tastes nice. But if you don't know what fior di latte is, here is how I understand it. Fior di latte is a type of mozzarella, but while regular mozzarella is made from buffalo milk, fior di latte is made from cow's milk. just your regular sized bottle of olive oil. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!